Welcome to Centum guys. Today we are going to discuss divisibility test. Okay, for all the prime numbers up to 29. Fine. So what are all the prime numbers up to 29? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. Okay. So we discuss the divisibility test for these prime numbers. First 2. So how will you check whether a number is divisible by 2 or not? It should be a even number, right? For example, if the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, then the number is divisible by 2. So for example, 550, 782, 654, 776, okay, 1258, okay. So these numbers are even numbers. So these numbers are divisible by 2. Okay. So what is the divisibility for 3? For example, take any number, okay, 4-digit number, 4372. Okay. So add all the digits. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 2, 16. So 16 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 4372 is not divisible by 3. For example, we will take 4371. Okay, the sum of digit is 15. Therefore, this 4371 is divisible by 3. Okay, so let's check it. So 4371 divided by 3. So 1 3s 1, 4 3s, 5 3s are 15. So 7 3s are 21. So 4371 is divisible by 3 because the sum of digit is divisible by 3. The divisibility test for 5 is easy. Okay. So if the units place has either 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. For example, 785, okay, 540, 385, 400 and so on. So if the units place has 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 5. Now we will check the divisibility test for 7. Okay. So we will take a number 938. Okay. So the divisibility test for 7 is 2 minus, which means you have to multiply the units place by 2. So 8 2s are 16 and subtract from the remaining numbers. So 93 minus 16. So how much it is? Okay. We know 77 is divisible by 7. So 938 is divisible by 7. So we will check it. 938 by 7. 1 7, 3 7, 4 7. So what is the divisibility test for 7? Multiply the units place by 2 and subtract from the remaining digit. If the difference is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. Now we will check the divisibility test for 11. So 11 also it is easy. Add the number at odd number places. Okay. So alternatively add it. 4 plus 9 it is 13. Then 2 and 4 even number places. 5 plus 8 13. So the difference is 0. So if the difference comes 0 or 11 or in multiple of 11, then it is divisible by 11. Okay. So we will check it. So 4 11s are 44, 1 11s are 11, 8 11s are 88. Okay. Since the remainder is 0, 4598 is divisible by 11. So what is the divisibility test? Add the number at the odd places, then add the number at the even places, find the difference. It should be 0 or in multiple of 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. The divisibility test for 13 is 9 minus, which means we got to multiply the units place by 9. Okay. So 9 4s are 36 and subtract from the remaining digit 75. Okay. So what is this? I think 39, right? Okay. So 39 is divisible by 13. Therefore 754 is divisible by 13. So let's check it. Okay. So 754 by 13. Okay. 5 13s are 65. Remaining 10. So next number 4, 104. So 8 13s are 104. Okay. So the remainder is 0. So what is the divisibility test for 13? Multiply the units place by 9, then subtract from the remaining digit. If the difference is divisible by 13, then this number is divisible by 13. The divisibility test for 17 is 5 minus, that is multiply the units place by 5, that is 20, subtract from the remaining digit, okay, 68. So 68 is divisible by 17, so 884 is divisible by 17. The divisibility test for 19 is 2 plus, which means we got to multiply the units place by 2, so 1 2s are 2 and add with the remaining digit, okay. So this is 57. 57 is divisible by 19. Therefore 551 is divisible by 19. The divisibility test for 23 is 7 plus. That is multiply the units place by 7. So 7 7s are 49. Okay, add with the remaining numbers 89. So 18 138. Okay. So again we can check it. So multiply by 7. So 7 8s are 56. Then add with the 13, okay, 69. So 69 is divisible by 23, therefore 897 is divisible by 23. The divisibility test for 29 is 3 plus, that is multiply the units place by 3, 3 2s are 6, add with the remaining numbers, so 87, okay. So 87 is divisible by 29, therefore 812 is divisible by 29. Otherwise you can perform next, okay. So multiply by 3, 3 7s are 21 plus 8, 29. So 29 is divisible by 29, therefore 812 is divisible by 29. Thanks guys, like, share, comment and subscribe.